Salut à tous, mes très chers crash marketeurs, je suis ravi de vous retrouver pour cette nouvelle vidéo. Une fois n'est pas coutume, vous n'allez pas m'entendre m'éterniser très longtemps dans cette vidéo, je vais céder la parole à un ami à moi. Comme je vous le disais, un ami trader professionnel sur les produits dérivés a gentiment apporté sa contribution à cette vidéo. Il va vous présenter la plateforme RFQ de Paradigm. RFQ, c'est Request for Quote, pour ceux qui ne la connaissent pas. Afin de vous montrer comment créer des combinaisons et des structures d'options sur Bitcoin, sur le TH, etc. En fait, concrètement, ce qu'il va falloir retenir de cette vidéo, qui sera en deux parties, de cette vidéo, en fait, c'est qu'il est plus rentable pour quelqu'un de faire des stratégies d'options sur Bitcoin, par exemple, plutôt que d'acheter ou de vendre au spot, au comptant donc. Et à l'issue de la présentation de cette plateforme, il va vous montrer également un exemple de scalp. Donc sur ce, j'ai envie de vous dire, bonne vidéo.
Welcome to this presentation of the Paradigm RFQ platform. When you are logged in, you can see the main menu on the sideline here. In the center of the platform, you see two main tables. The top table is your disclosed RFQ board. It will show you historical logs of all the RFQ you sent as a taker. On each of these RFQ, you can see all their details. Description, product, revenue, quantity, etc. The bottom table is the platform time and sales, showing all executed activity. All data will be shown only in the two counterparties trade blotter involved into the agreement. RFQ markets are fully public to facilitate best price discovery. So if you are interested in a structure already available in the RFQ board, the flashing quote here, you can directly trade by clicking bid or ask. On the other hand, if you are looking for something more specific, you can start the taker workflow and initiate an RFQ. To do that, we begin with the blue button here. The pop-up window which appears here is the RFQ builder. One thing to note, this is not an order ticket. It is only a structure to request pricing and build from buyer's perspective. Buying the strategy will result in executing each leg in the same direction as asked in the strategy detail tables. This means you are looking the price for this exact package here. For example, if you want a calendar spread, a call spread, sorry. So nothing here is indicative of our intended execution. Then we use simply just have to work through all the drop-down selection for desired structure. You can choose from our connected venue clearing account here. You can select the product here. You can directly select a predefined structure, for example, a call here. So now, as an example, let's imagine you want to play the volatility on the BTC following the range bound we had for 3 weeks and because of Ukraine and Russian development. So you select, for example, a predefined T-repeat stronger strategy. You can see the structure populated below and you can further add the detail for the structure you are looking for. Expiry and strike are the listed contract available for the product selected. Okay. Another option is the edge button here. This option allows you to combine option and future for delta neutral trading. Still in our example, finally you change your mind and you think now the market will stay in this range bound. You want to manage your risk, so you add new legs to create an iron butterfly customer strategies. for example. Just have to click same period. Gonna try to take close to the market. Here we have our iron butterfly customized strategy. So as I show you, you can select predefined strategy you have here, or custom your own strategy. It's up to you. In the live version of the platform, you can click Save Strategy to add it as quick trade button to do that trade channel. If you would like to remove one or multiple feature legs, you can click the red X like here, or clear all here directly. Before to send a request, I would like to show you something for more option. Here, the multi-dealer RFQ, which provides you more option, as you can see here. This new feature allows you to split the quantity requested from your order with different makers. This is the same window. Once you send your request, you will have this kind of window. And you can see that you have different market makers here, and you can select buy and sell directly from the market makers you want. If you want to split your quantity, you can take here, etc., etc. The anonymous function here allow you to mask your identity from makers who send you the quote. Here you can select your liquidity provider, your counterparties, market makers. So we're gonna ask for quote March, for example. We need 24 contract. Here this function show you the venue and the minimum contract you can take with them. For example, his Terabit 25 contract. Okay, we select the LP, the liquidity providers, we send a request. After sending our RFQ, we are back to the RFQ board. Here you can see your active RFQ in green. If you expand the row, as I have done, you will see top 3 prices that are automatically coming from the selected market makers. The responses are aggregated in terms of best pricing, the best bid and offer at the top here. The flashing quotes notifies us any updates in the price. We have here the spread synthetic screen, and you can see that the bargaining prices are better. Here you have the synthetic spread, and we are below the synthetic spread, as you can see here. When we are ready, we can trade by clicking buy or sell as we want. Immediately we get a trade notification in a green window, the settlement in your account. A trade recap is sent by email for both maker and taker, and all the details in the trade blotter. Yeah. Order is here, as you can see. Now, with a right click here, view details, we can see the structure I've cleared. Go through the trade blotter, we have all the details of the trade we have done. with all detailed strategy, actions, instruments, etc. etc. So, thank you for your following this presentation. Welcome to Paradigm. If you want more information, do not hesitate to contact us.
C'était tout pour aujourd'hui. J'espère que la vidéo vous a plu. N'hésitez pas à faire des pauses hein, et à revenir en arrière pour bien suivre, pour ceux qui n'utilisent pas encore la plateforme, pour bien suivre comment vous y prendre pour prendre position. Après tout, c'est une vidéo, hein, c'est à ça que ça sert. Et pour ma part, je vous dis à très bientôt. Je vous réserve de nouvelles surprises, encore une fois. Hein. Il y a de plus en plus de professionnels qui vont apporter leur petite touche à ma chaîne. Et j'ai notamment prévu une ou deux interviews qui devraient se faire dans les meilleurs délais, je l'espère. A bientôt. Ciao, ciao.